Amidst a fierce storm, this young man stumbled upon a hidden cave beside a large lake and decided to turn it into his shelter for the night. Using only basic survival skills, he arranged stones to build a small fireplace, keeping the space inside warm and dry despite the relentless wind and rain outside. While the storm was still raging, he cast his line right at the water's edge and unexpectedly pulled up a huge fish weighing nearly 10 kilograms. Getting it back to his hiding place was no easy feat. The ground was slippery, the rain was pouring down, and the weight of the fish meant it took him quite a while to bring his catch back to safety. This wasn't just a night sheltering from the storm, but a true minimalist living experience where people relied solely on skill and instinct to overcome harsh circumstances.